Okay, guys, my friend has gone crazy with the sound effects. There's too much of them now. Please help me. Turn it off, Otto. Turn it off. Oh, I don't know how to react to this. There's too much happening right now.
Estás buscando el mejor pack.
What the heck? I guess that was Spanish. A Spanish theory? I guess my friend is now finally out of sound effects. What are you dancing? You're off screen, bro! This is a total failure of a video, but I guess we're okay. Okay, I'm finishing with this. What is he yapping? Okay, goodbye guys. Look at my eye here. Look. Now it will disappear.